Hello friends, welcome to Nidhi's Creative Zone. How are you all? Today I am going to share with you tasty recipe of veg manchurian that you can make easily at home. So let's check out the ingredients. Here I have taken some carrots, onions, cabbage and green beans. You can use capsicum also to make this recipe. Now take a blending jar. Add peeled and diced carrots, French beans, half onion, half cabbage that I have sliced into small pieces. Add the pieces into grinding jar and now cover it and grind it while giving pulse. After that, you have seen the mixture is properly ready. We are looking for this type of grainy consistency. Remove it in a separate bowl. You can use the grater also. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic, half teaspoon of grated ginger, you can use ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of all purpose flour or maida, 2 tablespoons of corn flour or corn starch. Now mix everything together. Do it with a very light hand. It feels little bit sticky, but after mixing, if it's bind perfectly, that means the mixture is ready. Otherwise add little bit of corn flour or maida and now start making the balls. Take a small portion in your hand and just make a smooth ball, and once I will finish making all the balls, I will show you. Here I have prepared all the vegetable balls from the mixture. As you have seen, make sure the balls are smooth, and now it's time to fry these balls. In a kadhai or pan, heat up some oil, make sure the oil is medium hot, and now one by one add these vegetable balls and now fry it on medium flame. And you have seen after few minutes it starts changing its color. We have to fry it until it turns golden brown. As you have seen here, these are perfectly brown color. Now remove it. Just tilt it on the side and remove it on the tissue paper. We are looking for this type of color. Remove all the vegetable balls. Now fry the second batch of the vegetable balls on a medium flame. Make sure to stir it 1 or 2 times only. Don't stir it frequently. And once you have reached at this point, this means these are half done. Wait for about couple of minutes. And then once you reach at the golden brown consistency, that means the balls are perfectly ready for the vegetable manchurian recipe. Remove it on a tissue paper. Here I have fried all the balls, and as you have seen here, these are perfectly cooked from inside and outside. Now it's time to prepare the sauce for the manchurian. Take a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Make sure the heat is on medium high flame at this point. 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic. Slightly saute it. 1 inch chopped ginger, again slightly saute it. The sauce we have to cook it on high medium flame. After that add some spring onion white part. This is the head of the spring onion greens. You can use plain onion also instead of this one if you don't have this. Add half teaspoon of black pepper powder, 2 tablespoon of tomato sauce or tomato ketchup. It will give a nice color and taste. 1 teaspoon of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of green chili sauce. You can add sauces according to your choice. Give it a quick mix. Add 1 teaspoon of vinegar. This is white vinegar. Give it a quick mix. Add 1 cup of water. You can adjust the quantity of water according to the thin or thick sauce you want. Add half teaspoon of salt. Make sure all the sauces have salt in it, so add little bit of salt only and bring them to boil. Once the sauce is properly boiled, In a separate bowl, add 1 teaspoon of corn flour or cornstarch, add 2 tablespoons of water in it and make a slurry. Make sure there is no lumps and add this in the sauce. It will help the sauce to become thicker, and give it a quick mix and just cook it for about 1 minute after adding the corn flour, and you have seen our sauce is ready. Switch off the gas and set this aside. And now take a serving dish, add the Manchurian balls in it. After that, pour this sauce on top of this Manchurian ball in the serving dish. After that, if there is any balls left, just pour the sauce with the help of spatula or spoon. It's already smelling so yummy, and garnish it with some spring onion greens. And here is the delicious veg Manchurian ready to serve. When you are making it, just make sure you have to cook the sauce on high flame, and when you are frying the balls, make sure to fry the balls on medium flame. And if you like this recipe of vegetable Manchurian, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.